Welcome to this short unboxing video from CYP. Today we're looking at our Ultra High Speed certified HDMI cables. With Ultra certification from HDMI Licensing Administrator Incorporated, these cables are guaranteed to meet the specifications of the HDMI 2.1 standard. This includes support for bandwidth of up to 48 gigabits per second, 4K 120 Hz, ideal for the latest generation games consoles and compatible displays, 8K and 10K, eARC, dynamic HDR, VRR or variable refresh rate, and auto low latency mode, amongst others. These high quality HDMI cables come with a certified Category 3 HDMI Type A connector, as well as zinc alloy die-cast shielding internally to reduce interference. Designed with professionals in mind, these cables come with a 3-year guarantee and are currently available in 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter and 5 meter, with a half meter cable coming soon. For more information, please visit www.cypeurope.com.